In the history of the British music, these are the most popular bands.
The Beatles are an icon in the 60s music. The band has been considered one of the most influential in the history of modern music. They were a great example of the hippie movement. The band had officially consolidated in 1962. Their names were John Lennon, Paul McCartney, George Harrison, and Ringo Starr. The name of the band had been created from the fashion for naming musical groups by animals' names. Beatle means beetle, and from a play on words. Do the beat music, which means beat.
The Rolling Stones was a band formed by Brian Jones, Keith Richards, Bill Wyman, and Charlie Watts, and the leader was Mick Jagger, but when he died, Ron Wood got into the band. They have always been considered one of the Britannic rival bands of the Beatles, even though his music was a bit more aggressive than the Beatles songs. They usually wrote rock songs. One of the characteristics of the group is its longevity. Actually, they are still doing concerts nowadays.